What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with that how can we accept credit card, debit card payment into our this account. So basically you can accept it. You can accept it from there. You can accept it from the PayPal itself. Okay, if I just come here and I just hit proceed to checkout, okay, I'll be taken to the checkout page and it says PayPal. Okay, and then I just hit proceed to PayPal. You can see, okay, I have to accept the terms and conditions. I don't know why I just forget it. Okay, so when I just hit proceed to PayPal, it's gonna take me then to the PayPal, and then there I can pay with PayPal. Okay, I can pay with my credit card. If I just click here, pay with debit credit card, you can see that I can enter the debit card details and every detail, and my payment would be processed. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you how this is gonna work. Okay, you can see that it is loading right now. So let's wait till this is done. Okay, you can see this is how we have. Okay, this is how we have. It says choose a way to pay and everything. Okay, I'm just gonna hit don't have a PayPal account. Okay, I'm just gonna click here, and here then I have to enter my credit card details and every detail, and then I have to hit pay, and that will be paid automatically. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna enter any of the credit card right now. So let's suppose that my month is 7, my year is 22, CSC is this, and then I have this right here, and then I have to enter the address optional, city, and now I have to hit pay. So you can see this will authenticate it, and then it will pay me. Okay, so since my address debit card is incorrect, that is why it is not paying, but the person can then go ahead and pay. So this is how the person can go ahead and pay. But if they do not want to pay via PayPal, if he wants to pay with any other credit card service, so we basically have to go ahead with a service that we have to sign up, and then we can accept the payments. Okay, and that is called basically do checkout. Okay, so that payment is recommended by me. Okay, because you can accept credit card payments, and people would be like, PayPal does not work in some countries. So what would you do? Okay, you just have to accept the credit card in your account, in your website. So what would you do? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just go to docheckout.com. Okay, this is the service that I personally recommend, and that I personally use for my clients. Okay, and also for myself. I'm just starting up with this. I'm starting up my business right now on this, another business. Okay, so you can go with the checkout processing payment. Okay, and then they will process your payment, and then they will work. So you can see it works amazingly with WooCommerce. So I'm just gonna go to rates right now, and let me tell you what are the rates for this, and then I'm gonna show you how this is gonna work. So we have to select a country, your payments processing pricing calculator. So I'm gonna select my country, and this is the one. So it is charging me 3.9% plus 45 cents per successful transaction. Okay, so you can see if you just go beyond the 50K a month, then you can contact us to not contact us, contact them to see if you qualify for a volume discount. Okay, so you can see everything works pretty well. What you have to do, you just have to sign up there. Okay, you have to just sign up. You have to click sign up, and then you have to enter your details, enter about your email address. Okay, you first have to enter your username, the email address, the password, and the website. Okay, that you want to sell. So you have to enter this website, but it should not be like this. Okay, it should be your own perfect domain name. Okay, and then you have to just come here to this Pakistan right here, and you have to select your country, and then you have to accept the terms and conditions, and you have to accept everything. Then you have to go to complete application, and in the complete application they have a requirement. Okay, let me tell you what is the requirement. The first one is that your website must be having an address. Okay, and your website in the contact us page, so you should be having a contact us page. Okay, and there you should be having an address, your office address, and the same address should be here in the complete application tab. Okay, also one more thing, and that is you need to submit your identity. That is your national identity card that is issued by your government, and you also need to give the proof of address that will be like utility bill. Okay, that should be under your name. Okay, so and the last one is I think the payment method. Okay, so you need a US bank account detail, US bank account. I'm going to show you how you can get the US bank account if you do not have a bank account. Okay, so you just have to open up the link that you are watching right now. Okay, you can either go to payoneer.com. We will be using up this service, but you have to just open up the video that you are watching. Okay, and then you have to hit the resources available section, and then you have to sign up to Payoneer with that link. Okay, so when you sign up with that link, you will be getting $25 once you get $100. So this will be a bonus for you as you are joining the Payoneer from my affiliate link. Okay, so let's just open this up. Let's just where it says this resources available, you have to just hit this, and it says get your Payoneer Mastercard. You have to just click this link and you will be taken to payoneer.com. Okay, and then you have to sign up using this link. Okay, so if you sign up, you will get $25 once you receive. Okay, it says sign up and earn $25. Okay, so once you just click this, you have to sign up your account, you have to enter your details. Okay, and then you will be getting a US bank account. Okay, and after you receive a US bank account, I'm going to show you how that US bank account is going to look like. Okay, so after you get your card, you have to just sign up. Okay, and then you have to enter your details. They will ship you a debit card. They will ship you a debit card at your home. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just log into your Payoneer. Okay, you have to just click login, and then you have to enter your details, account details. Okay, so let's just come here. Let me enter my password. And let's just hit sign in. So you can see that once you sign in, you will be in the Payoneer section. You can see that here we have the section right here. I'm gonna go to the global payment service. So you have to just come here. Okay, and then you have to come here for a bank account. So it will give you a bank account number. It will activate your bank account. You can see it says USD receiving bank account. This is my bank name. This is my routing number. This is my account number. This is my account type. And this is the beneficiary name. Okay, so you can see that you have to just enter all of these details into that payment processing page. Okay, you have to enter your US bank account details. This is your basically US bank account. You will be getting a credit card. Okay, let me show you how the credit card is going to look from Payoneer. Okay, this is how the credit card is going to look like. Okay, you can see it. This is by Payoneer. Okay, so you will be getting a credit card from them, and then you can accept payments from your website, and you can see this is already here. I have received. So this is how it's gonna work, and once you receive $1,000, you will be getting $25 bonus. Okay, so now when everything will be done and your account will be active. Okay, so once your account will be active, you just have to hit login. Okay, so once everything is done, you have to log into your site, and then you have to move forward. So let me show you that how our dashboard is going to look like. I'm just going to enter my username, and now here I want to enter the password. Okay, and now I have to hit login. So here you go. You can see it's logging me in. And once I'm logged in, I just have to access my details. So you can see that then you will see all of your details that you can go ahead. But we want to test our account right now. So how we will test it? Okay, you can see you will see a thing that will say we are currently reviewing your account. Okay, and then when everything will be done, your account will be activated. You can see that my application is 100% complete, but my account is under review. Okay, so once everything will be done, you just have to enter every API that we use with PayPal. You have to enter in here, and that will be done. Okay, so this is how it works. Now I'm going to show you how can you integrate this to checkout with WordPress. Okay, so for that, you have to just come here and you have to search for to check out WooCommerce. Okay, you have to search, and you can see in the to check out WooCommerce, it says shopping cart / WooCommerce. This is officially to check out payment gateway. You just have to download this. Okay, it says download or clone the extension from GitHub. I'm just gonna open this up in a new tab. So here we go. Okay, and then it says the payment API. So you have to work with this. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna grab this. I'm gonna hit clone or download, and then it is going to be downloaded. So here we go. You can see this is right here. I'm just gonna open the folder. So this is right here. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it in here. So you can see it should be here. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up to see if everything is up and running. Okay, let's just open this up. Okay, I have to extract it. I have to just come here. I have to hit extract. Okay, let's just extract it, and this should be right here. So now I have to go to checkout this one, and this is the checkout app that I have. Okay, so now here, what I have to do, I have to just come here. I have to, let's just come here and let's just extract it. Let's just add it to archive. So I'm just going to hit add to archive. Okay, and I will be choosing, zip. Okay, let's just hit okay. So you can see it should be archive in this. So you can see this is our archive of this. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the plugins right now, and now I have to upload that plugin. So let's just close this tab. Let's just go to the plugins right here, and let's hit add new. So here we have to upload the plugin. You guys already know about the plugin uploading. You have to just choose the file. You have to just go to the desktop, and here should be the checkout. Okay, I cannot see it. So, okay, this is the folder right here. I'm just gonna drag this, and I'm gonna drop it right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit install now. So you can see this should be installed right now. Okay, you can see it says plugin installed successfully. Once the plugin is installed, what you have to do, you have to just go to WooCommerce. Okay, and then you have to go to the settings. So now we have to work with this setting. So I'm going to go to the checkout right now, and you will see a new tab that will be for the check payments. The credit card PayPal. Okay, this is by checkout. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to select this checkout right now. And then here, we're going to test everything. Okay, so basically we will be using up the sandbox account to move up. You can see if you bring my mouse here, it says enter your checkout account number, enter your publishable key, and your private key. So you have to enter them, but since my account is not active right now, I will be moving up with the sandbox account. So if I just come here, you can see it is right this. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit sandbox.tocheckout.com. Okay, you have to sign up your account there, and once you sign up, everything will be up and running. So you can see it says this, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna enter my username, my email address, and then here would be my password, and I'm gonna hit login. Log into your account. Okay, it is giving an error, so let's just go ahead and sign up with a new account. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to enter my username. This is going to be this. Okay, and now here I want to enter the email address. So my email address is going to be, and the password is going to be, and the confirm password. Okay, something like this. I have to change the username. So this is going to be, tell us about yourself. I have a website. I already have a checkout account. I want to play in the sandbox. So I'm just going to hit and dig in and start testing. So you can see it says sign up complete. You have to click here to continue to the sandbox, if not automatically redirected. So you can see that I am here, and this is how my account is looking. Okay, everything is totally up and running, and this is so amazing. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am going to just work with it. So I'm just gonna select this use checkout account sandbox. Okay, I have this pay with credit card PayPal, and then I have the seller ID. Please enter your checkout account number. This is needed in order to take payment. So if I just click here, you can see this is my account number. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna paste it. Okay, and now I have to go to API. you can see that it will take me to the API section. You have to just come here and you have to select this, and then you have to hit start integrating. So the main to checkout will be exactly same like this. Okay, you just have to go to API, and then you have to grab this publishable key and the private key, and then it will be totally up and running. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, I'm gonna copy, and now I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna paste it right now. Okay, so you can see these both two are coming right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit this save changes. So you can see that the changes would be saved and everything is up and running. Now let's come here, let's just come here to our website right now. Okay, and let's use the Internet Explorer. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab this one right here, and I need to test this payment. So how I'm gonna do this, you can see how this card is looking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit checkout. Okay, now here, this is right here. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna select the credit card PayPal. Since this is the to checkout the test account, that is why I have to enter the test detail. So this will be under here, the sample test data. So this will be the card authorization success. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna go to Internet Explorer right here, and then I'm gonna add the card number. So card month is going to be February, and this is going to be 19. Now I have to enter the security code, and now I have to accept the terms and conditions. So now I'm gonna hit place order, and you will see that the order will be processed, and this will be totally up and running, and this will charge my card. So this is how the to checkout works, guys. Okay, you will see it is taking some time, and you can see it says order received. Thank you, your order has been received, your card payment is done. Okay, and now I want to check if someone has entered the wrong card information, that will his account be processed or not. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit add to cart, I'm gonna hit checkout right now, and then let's go to this itself. Okay, and this will be card authorization declined. So if someone enters this, then his card authorization will be declined. Let's come here, let's just enter this. Okay, let's come here, let's just select this, let's just select this. Okay, and let's enter anything. Okay, and now here I want to just accept the terms and conditions. So I'm gonna hit place order right now, and then you will see it will give an error, and it will say credit card information not valid or something like that. It will not accept it because I have written payment authorization failed. Please verify your information and try again, or try another payment method. So you can see this is how the credit card payment method works. You can accept credit card information, you can accept credit card from your website within your site, and you can move forward. So stay tuned, guys, and now you can see that we are totally done with the acceptance of credit card, and now we're totally done with our e-commerce site. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we'll be learning how to build professional based e-commerce site, and then we'll move forward. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.